Welcome back again. It's been a very, very long time, guys. It's been a very long time. I know many of you will be asking what is going on, what is happening to her, why is she no longer uploading videos, guys. You can't understand until someone tells you. It's been very, very busy on my side. Guys, it's been very busy for a while now. So it's so hard for me to do my hair and upload videos. No, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work for those who don't understand. You gotta do your hair, you gotta take video every step, almost every step you do, and so on and so forth. When you're done, you gotta edit it. So today I just decided to do just this little simple style as usual, just as to keep my viewers going. I know it's been more than a month. Yep, it's been more than a month that I haven't uploaded any video yet. But I promise you, I do have some videos which are not hair making, but they are videos like traveling videos. No, it takes a while to edit it, guys. But I promise you, I will upload it sometime in the future. Guys, this is a simple, nice style that I thought it was gonna look ugly, but it looks good at the end of the day. It looks pretty good. No, yeah, just keep watching. I just made a very simple, very simple hairstyle. A very simple hairstyle that makes me look younger. A hairstyle that like make you look you sweet 16. You can give me like 16 years, you can give me like 15, 20. Yeah. So for those who know me, they know that now I'm older than this. But like guess what? At the end of the day, I was looking splendid. I love it. Now that's not much to do, but I I came out looking good, bruh, for this Thanksgiving weekend. The Thanksgiving weekend was a good one for me. It's been enjoying traveling here and there, guys. This is what I got for myself for this weekend, right? Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't hesitate to subscribe. Yeah, you can see how I'm actually dividing two lines. I was trying to do but one line, but at the end of the day, I gotta do two lines. I end up doing two lines, and I came up with a star. You see, the two lines that I drew, I have to come the downward, and then the middle part come it backward. I mean, that was something for the weekend, man. That was something for me, bro. You gotta congratulate me and say, put a thumbs up, like, share, comment. I mean, do something. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, guys, and just keep watching and keep being patient for next videos, guys. All right. Hello, guys. It's amazing to see the texture of my hair looking like this, guys. I'm so surprised after a couple of weeks that I took down my braid. You can watch my video, you will see the last braid I had on. I took this braid down, or I took the braid down like 4 weeks ago. But to my greatest surprise, my hair has been exposed for like more than 4 weeks, like 4 to 5 weeks. No hair done, nothing, just combing and oiling. But look how smooth it looks like. See how smooth it looks like. It's as though I did perm my hair. Wow. I'm so happy and my hair looks so organized and smooth. I thought it was gonna be crunchy, bruh. I thought it was gonna be crunchy, but it looks smooth. I can't believe it. This is my hair. I can't believe that this is my hair. All right, let's just keep watching for my simple bond hair that I'm about to do. Did like 2 lines at the corner. The brush is corner downward, then brush the middle backward. That's pretty much a style for me. I like it, and someone out there will like it too. And please don't forget to put a thumbs up, like, and share. Say something and say a word for me, guys, and wish me some happy holiday, happy something something. All right, let's continue to watch. I love you. Like I was saying, guys, my hair looks pretty well. I mean, simple and smooth. I mean, I look like a sweet 16 on this style, guys. I'm so surprised. I feel like it's been a while. I haven't done a video, so see myself again on the camera looking this way. Ah, God, man, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I look pretty young, bro. No makeup, nothing. Like glowing, fresh, and so on. Like, can you believe it? Oh my goodness. Do not pass by without watching this thing to the end. Do not. Oh my goodness. All right, keep watching. Bye bye. I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye bye.